Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the box opening review of LG Microwave Convection 28 liter model MC2846BG. So let's see. We have a smart kit along with it. I'll just show you the features. Okay, let me open this. We have around 3 spoons along with it, plus 2 bowls and a big jar kind of. Let me open the big box now. We have a glass tray kept very safe inside the thermocol. I'll just show you. And there is a rotating ring as well. Yeah, this is a rotating ring. Along with it, we have a manual plus a quick reference guide. And a cooking book too. Okay, I've taken the oven out of the box. Let me open it now. Now I can see one thermocol inside. I'll just show you a little later. Let's have a look at inside. Okay. So I have opened the box. So we have two racks. One is high rack as well as one is low rack. Yeah, this is a high rack. This is a low rack. So we have assembled rotating ring glass tray plus low rack and high rack together inside. Let's have a look at the operational menu. Now this is a quick reference guide. There are around 7 steps. Everything is explained very well inside this quick reference guide. That's all. Thanks for watching everyone and keep watching too.